Good morning, students. Civics Unit 5 India Relationship. India relationship with developed countries. A developed country is a sovereign state. When we compare to other less industrialized nations, it was highly developed economy and advanced technological infrastructure. India has been balancing the superpowers with great care and trying to reap the maximum benefit for its domestic development. India and USA. India and the United States of America has signed a communications compatibility and security agreement (CUMCASA) that will lead to a new generation of bilateral military partnership. It is valid for a period of 10 years. CUMCASA gives India access to advanced communication technologies used in US defense equipment and allows real-time information sharing between the military of two countries. European countries. There has been a significant progress in all areas, particularly the growing cooperation and exchange include defense, counter-terrorism, nuclear energy and space. France space launch pads are used by ISRO. India and France are cooperating on developing smart cities Chandigarh, Nagpur and Puducherry. India and France launched the International Solar Alliance, which brings together countries between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn for cooperation solar energy. India and Australia. India and Australia have built strategic trust over the years slowly yet steadily. India and Australia are committed to working together to enhance maritime cooperation with India's bilateral naval exercise ASINDEX. Relationship between India and Japan. In India and Skill India initiatives. In 2017, the first 4 JIMS were started in the states of Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Tamil Nadu, and 2 Japanese endowed courses in engineering colleges JEC was established in Andhra Pradesh. Recent initiatives include the establishment of 3 India-Japan joint laboratories in the area of information and communication technology. Thus, Japan had good relationship with India. India and West Asia. West Asia includes Egypt, the Arabian Peninsula, Turkey and Iran. India and West Asia enjoy prehistorical ties. Trade relations were established between the civilization of Mesopotamia and the Indus Valley. West Asia is important for India economically and strategically. West Asia is a gateway to landlocked and energy-rich Central Asia. There was a good relationship between Gulf of Cooperation Council countries and India. A trilateral agreement called the Chabahar Agreement was signed between India, Afghanistan and Iran. It was a transit and transport corridor among 3 countries using Chabahar Port. Port is seen as golden gateway for India to access landlocked markets of Afghanistan and Central Asia by passing Pakistan. One of the oldest sea trading routes ran from ancient Sumeria via Bahrain to the India civilization called Meluha. India and international organization. India is a potential superpower and has a growing international influence all around the world. Being a newly industrialized country, India has a great history of collaboration with several countries. It has acted as prominent member of several international organizations and also founding member of some organization. India is a member of formal groupings like United Nations Organization, Non-Alignment Movement, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, G20 and the Commonwealth. India was a great supporter of the UNO. India has been extending a helping hand to the UNO in ending military conflicts and in promoting peace and progress among the nations. Some of the global groupings in which India is a member. Name of the global groupings: IBSA. Its member countries are India, Brazil, South Africa. Its objective is to focus on agriculture, education, energy, trade, culture, and defense among others. BCIM. Its member countries are Bangladesh, China, India, Myanmar. Its objective is to respond to threats such as natural disasters and data breaks and protect business interests. MGC, Mekong Ganga Cooperation. Its member countries are India, Cambodia, Laos, PDR, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam. Its objective is to create necessary infrastructural facilities in the Ganga-Mekong basin. BIMSTEC, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Its member countries are Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan and Nepal. Its objective is to strengthen and improve the technological economic cooperation, international trade and foreign direct investment cooperation. CEP, Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. Its member countries are Australia, Brunei, Cambodia, China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. Its objective is to achieve modern, high quality and mutually beneficial agreement that covers trade in goods, trade in service, investments, technical cooperation, dispute settlement and other issues. EAS, East Asia Summit. Its member countries are 10 Asian nations plus 8 strategic partners including US, China, India, Japan. Its objective is to promote peace and stability. GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council. Its member countries are Bahrain, Kuwait, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates, India. Its objective is to achieve unity based on their common objectives and their similar political and cultural identities. BIBIN, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal. Its objective is for energy development. SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Its member countries are India, Kazakhstan, China, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan, Russia, Tajikistan and Uzbekistan. Its objective is for security related concern, resolving border issues, intelligence sharing and countering terrorism.